Homemade curry leaves hair oil for high growth and premature graying. Ingredients: coconut oil 1 cup, curry leaves 5 sprigs. Method: first, clean the curry leaves in water and dry it in shade. Spread on top of a plate or kitchen cloth till there is no moisture left. Take 1 cup of coconut oil in a pan and heat it. Once the oil is hot, add all the curry leaves at once and switch off the flame immediately. Let the oil cool and pour it in a glass bottle along with the leaves. The only important thing here is that the leaves should be completely immersed in oil. If the leaves pop out of oil, the oil will turn rancid soon. This curry leaf hair oil keeps well for few months, but make sure the leaves are fully immersed in the oil. Thank you for watching our channel. Please like, share and subscribe for free.